G'day, James here again. Now, since our last video, one thing that I've been getting a lot of calls and emails about is from people who have got conifers of some sort, be it a cypress hedge or a cedar, and they're noticing that the foliage is browning off and dying, and they're not looking real good. What it's been in all circumstances is spruce spider mite, infestation of spruce spider mite. The numbers seem to be really high this year. If you have a conifer of some sort and it looks like it's dying from the inside out, that's a telltale sign that you've got a spruce spider mite problem. They're really small, really hard to see, but the damage is very noticeable. Their numbers are really high this summer, and they're doing a lot of damage. They can kill your tree if the infestation is bad enough. So if you see that inside out dying, you want to get onto that straight away. There are some insecticides and miticides that you can use. Personally, I'm not a big fan of using those. Much prefer a more natural, organic, chemical-free alternative, and to basically boost the tree's health and immunity to allow it to deal with this. So the spruce spider mite will move on. We want to be able to put the tree in a position where it can recover, it can bounce back, and that in future years it's not going to attract the same sort of attention it did this year. If you want some more information, there's some on our website. Give us a call, shoot me an email. Be happy to come out and help you out.